Hey guys! So I'm currently sitting in my backyard next to this dead plant. And so today I'm going to be showing y'all everything I'm packing in my personal bag and carry-on book bag. I'm not bringing anything else for 2.5 months to Bali. The first 2 weeks I'm going on a group travel excursion with like other solo travelers, and then after that I'm going to be doing a 2-month internship at a water park doing like media communication type of assignments. But this is everything I'm packing. I hope you enjoy. So this is everything that I'm bringing. This will be my personal bag that goes into the like airplane seat. This will go over the head. I hope this is a carry-on size. I think it is. That's what the guy at the store told me. But this way I can't lose anything. So I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing on the plane. I will be wearing a pair of leggings, a plain white cotton t-shirt, and a sweater with a pair of my Nike sneakers, so that way I don't have to pack them and I can wear all the bulky stuff on the plane. I'm gonna start out with taking everything out of my personal bag, and then I'm gonna lay it all out and show y'all everything. So this is what it looks like. This is everything that I'm taking onto my personal book bag, and it just varies from a lot of random stuff, but they're all pretty necessary. This is the carry-on book bag I'm bringing. It's pretty big, super comfortable though. I have these like hip things that hold most of the weight, and there's a ton of pockets in here, so I fit pretty much everything that I need. I'm actually really surprised about that. So you open it over here, and this thing opens. This thing right here is actually super hard to get out. Actually, that wasn't that bad. Once it's opened, it goes pretty deep, and it has everything that I need that are pretty big and bulky. So yeah, this is just makeup bag with some makeup and hair stuff. I have bathing suit bottoms and workout pants. I have medications and stuff like that. I have a steamer because I have to keep, sorry, that's everything laid out for y'all. I have a steamer to clean or steam my clothing for work because I have to look professional at my internship. And I got this big thing, which is everything that I'm packing as for clothing. I have all my toiletries, so it's easy for the airport to look at my liquids instead of having to go through my whole book bag. And then back here I have a water thingy and a couple other stuff I'll show y'all when I take it out. Here I just have a rain poncho that I got from H&M. I've got a pair of Birkenstocks on this side, a pair of cute flip-flops on this side, extra pictures of my passport in here, microfiber towel, and to get all the way down here I got an extra pair of sunglasses, a water pod water monopod, whatever it's called, for my GoPro, waterproof case for my phone, and then wait, there's like something else in here. I also have this in the big thing, which is my GoPro accessories. And in these pockets I have 2 belts. I have 2 clips to dry my clothing whenever I get to my hotel and whatever. This is all the clothing that I'm bringing in this small pack for my personal book bag. I have a 2-piece bathing suit, a 1-piece bathing suit, a crop top, a casual top, 2 tank tops, a blue shirt, and some underwear and such. Okay, so between this packing cube and this packing cube, I was able to fit all of these items of clothing. It's a lot. I basically packed for about 2.5 weeks, and then I'm just gonna do a ton of laundry. So here are all the shorts I'm bringing, and they're all pretty easy to roll up and fit, except for that one jean one, which is fine. But most of them can squeeze pretty tightly. I have one pink romper, 3 white t-shirts, and then I'm doing an internship, so I have to dress nice. I have 2 work pants and 3 work shirts, which I can also wear when I'm touring around Bali. I have a couple, or actually a good amount of tank tops I'm gonna wear, and I made sure to get a lot of bottoms that were just plain so I can mix and match everything, make more outfits. And then I also fit my underwear, my sports bra, socks, and bralettes. Then you get here, these are all my swimsuit tops that I'm bringing. Then these are, this one's also a swimsuit top. So those are all swim tops, and these are all the swimsuit bottoms I'm bringing. And I'm bringing 2 workout pants or shorts, and then I have 2 different belts. And yeah, so that's everything. So these are all of my toiletries, and I'm putting most of them in my carry-on bag. This one's going into my personal backpack so I can brush my teeth on my 23-hour flight. I'm bringing some face wipes and a deodorant as well on my carry-on. And I have just shampoo, conditioner, lotion. Here I just have some medicine and such, like first aid. I have 2 microfiber towels. This one's a large, this one's a medium, and they're pretty nice. This area is all of my electronics besides the camera that I'm using and the tripod that I'm using it with, and my MacBook charger. So those are all the containers I'm putting everything in. So let's start over here. I have a waterproof phone case, some chargers, some portable chargers, some plug-in stuff, a SIM card adapter that goes straight into my phone, 2 locks, a flashlight, a stylus pen, and then some camera stuff, computer stuff, and a power outlet so I can charge all this stuff. Oh, and that is for the outlet in Bali because they use a different outlet than we do. Here are all my GoPro stuff. I'm bringing a chest mount, waterproof mount, floating mount, GoPro, extra battery, mini tripod, and some other small accessories. I'm actually going to be bringing this old iPhone that I had like a couple years ago, but I tried to get my current iPhone unlocked at AT&T so I could put an Indonesian SIM card in and contact people locally, but that would have cost me like $700. I don't know why. So I just found this old one and unlocked it online. So these are all of my etc. type of stuff. In this purple sparkly pouch, I have a little bit of makeup, a ton of hair ties and such, a ton of headbands because it's gonna be hot, and that all fits in there. I'm bringing a steamer to steam my work clothing. I have my passport, a notebook, and a folder with my extra documents and pictures of my passport and such. I have these clips for drying off bathing suits outside on my porch. I have an extra bag just in case if I need to put dirty clothing in, 2 pairs of sunglasses, some snacks, utensils, a blow-up neck pillow that my dad got me, sleeping mask, retainer, mini hairbrush. Oh, and these all stuff are going on my personal bag. These are going onto my carry-on. Headphones, pens and such. And yeah, so these are going in between my personal bag and my carry-on bag. I am. Enjoy this video of me packing everything back into my stuff.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of mucking around. Oh, and it's like me. Can learn to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true, and it's like me. man cub. I made a deal.
So I just finished packing everything.